Look at yourself. A man with a ring, but no honor. A man with a home, but no backbone. How low can a man really go? Tonight, we answer that.
Rumram, how you sleep at night? Heart so dark, but you claim you're right. Married man, but your mind so straight. Chasing shadows, you lost your way. You take what's private, make it shame. Dragging dirt on a woman's name. That's not power, that's disgrace. You can't hide that kind of face. No respect, no code, no line. Cross every boundary, every time. A real man builds, protects and stands. You tear down lies with dirty hands. You wear a title, but you don't deserve it. You talk like a king, but your actions burn it. Truth don't hide, it rise like flame, and everybody see your name. You lower than low, no honor, no soul. A man entitled, but you lost control. Married with vows, but you play these games. Dragging women just to build your name. You lower than low, no truth, no pride. A real man wouldn't have nothing to hide. From respect to shame, yeah, you crossed that line. Now the world see clear what's yours inside. Alicia never asked for this war. You kick down trust like it's nothing at all. Taking pain and making it loud. Trying to stand tall while you dragging her down. Mackie, pass it, you take it further. Two wrongs don't make no man no stronger. You feed off drama, confusion, lies, but truth still cut through every disguise. What about your home, your wife, your name? You trade it all for a moment of fame. That's not a man, that's weakness exposed. A broken spirit that nobody chose. You had a chance to be something greater, but you chose darkness, chose that behavior. Now your reflection can't even stand. Looking at you like, who is this man? You're lower than low, no honor, no soul. A man entitled, but you lost control. Married with vows, but you play these games. Dragging women just to build your name. You're lower than low, no truth, no pride. A real man wouldn't have nothing to hide. From respect to shame, yeah, you crossed that line. Now the world see clear what's yours inside. Real men are bliss, they don't destroy. Real men protect, not play with joy. Real men stand when it get hard, not throw stones from a broken yard. This ain't about fame, this about right. About standing up for truth and lie. Because silence, that's where wrong men grow. So tonight we speak and we let it show. You're lower than low, no honor, no soul. A man entitled, but you lost control. Married with vows, but you play these games. Now you drowning deep in your own shame. You're lower than low, no truth, no pride. A real man wouldn't have nothing to hide. From respect to shame, yeah, you crossed that line, and history won't forget this time.
A real man don't just wear the title, he lives it. And when you don't, the truth will speak for you.